been here before. December, I was chasing like 2 of them.
Put your hands behind your back. What the Put your hands behind your back.
Wait, what did we do? If it's that serious, we'll buy it. Yeah. If it's that serious, we'll pay for it. They want us to do that.
3 suspects, 1 purse, a theft totaling $35. This case looks simple. It is not.
She's collecting more clothes to bring back. She's gonna bring back another pair of clothes to the family.
So they just keep bringing more items back to the chick in the fitting room?
Yeah.
You guys recognize these females?
They've been here before. December, I was chasing like 2 of them. They dropped the stuff and they run. I couldn't do nothing. That's why when I see them today, I just let them know, because yeah, they see me, but
they're still gonna go. I said, and they're still gonna go.
Yeah,
One of those. And I have 3 on the fitting room on that side. Which way are they?
They go left, they're coming this way, right?
Yeah. They're at a lane right now.
I'm 11.
Oh.
I think they're going to that side.
The eastern?
Yeah, the pharmacy side. They're facing that direction, but I don't know if they're gonna. Yeah, they came into that door. Yeah.
Because they're kind of midway, right? Yeah.
Advise Bravo 13. It looks like they might be heading out the pharmacy exit. Hey, you see him? Yeah. Put your hands behind your back. What the f***? Put your hands behind your back.
Wait, what did we do? Wait. What the heck? I didn't do nothing. Wait, what the heck? I didn't do nothing. I didn't say I'm getting arrested. Hold on, wait, my phone.
Chill out.
Wait, hold on, I need to call somebody.
Stop resisting.
I'm not resisting.
Relax your hands.
Okay, I'm relaxing.
Here, give me your phone.
Wait, can you call somebody? Wait, hold on, wait. I need to call my boyfriend. Wait.
Your boyfriend can wait.
Wait, am I? Hold on. I was on the phone. What the fuck did I say? Oh,
Hey, chill out.
okay, can I get my? Why the f is this whole recording?
Stop. Relax your arms.
Oh my God.
Like you said, you're being detained for suspicion of retail theft, alright? Yep.
You were like, no, why is she reporting me? Like, I'm already hot. What? Like, I'm already hot. What is she doing now? All because you was. Bro, I didn't even touch nothing. You were trying to buy brake pads for their car. What? I'm trying to chill, officer, but why was she recording me though? Like, is she allowed to do that?
It's a free country. You can record whoever you want.
No, that's not true. I ain't give her.
That's true. It's under the First Amendment. Freedom of speech. It includes pictures and video in public areas.
I'm not trying to start no problem. I'm just already mad. Like, I was on the phone.
Yeah, I saw you. You look pretty heated.
I was mad as fuck.
Hey, did you advise 3 detained or not? Okay. Bravo.
Why they laughing? Oh my God, it's so embarrassing.
3 detained.
Sorry, I had to come. Well, if I end up on TikTok, I'm gonna be mad. I'm gonna be mad if I end up on TikTok. They're so weird. Can I see next one?
Have a seat next to it.
Yeah. Huh?
You have a seat right here.
You want me to go get this one?
I need the stuff in the bag she had. The phone
Wait,
she
I would take the girl
So
with
the
the
black
gray.
person, the gray shirt.
Is
They
that
put
black?
stuff in her bag. She has a phone case, which is this one.
No, it's the other one.
Whichever one it is.
Oh, I ain't taking it. I don't care.
That one's my one. It's
Yeah.
the purple one.
Redwood.
Wait, hold on. Y'all going through my stuff. What the heck? I mean, you just let them. What the f is that? Oh, air freshener.
And then the phone case. I'll see which
This
color.
is the phone case? Okay.
you have to do like in front of everybody?
Bro, now my man gonna think I'm lying about getting arrested. But
All right,
Were you trying to
ladies,
pull him?
all three of you.
Yeah.
They're still doing their investigation, seeing whether or not they want to prosecute. Okay.
Alright.
I'm Officer Fender with the Boynton Beach Police Department. I'm gonna read you your rights. Okay.
Wait, time out.
that's my.
That means we're going to jail if you're reading the rights?
Not sure yet. We haven't gotten to that.
Oh wait, can I see my?
Alright.
Wait, we can't see our phones or nothing.
Yeah, just hold on a
Can you
second.
take my Apple? I thought it was like.
Hold on a second. Alright. I'm required to warn you before you make any statement that you have the following constitutional rights. You have the right to remain silent and not answer any questions. Any statement you make must be freely and voluntarily given. Does that make sense to you?
Yeah.
Yep. Does that make sense to you?
Yeah.
Yep.
Yeah. But what does that mean? Like,
Yeah.
as in, as in what?
Hey.
Like,
Given that you guys were just read your rights, you understand your rights, so they were read to you?
Yeah.
wait,
Okay.
yeah,
That being said, do you want to talk to us?
fine.
Well, you have to answer if you want.
Yes.
You don't have to. Right?
Oh,
Do you
but
wanna
okay,
talk
that's
to
what
us?
that means. I mean,
Yeah,
yeah, that's
yeah,
fine.
yeah.
I
You
don't
wanna talk to
mind.
us?
Yeah.
Okay. Go ahead.
Did you guys take anything that didn't belong to you?
If it's that serious, then we'll buy it.
Yeah.
If it's that serious, we'll
That's
pay for
fine.
it if they want us to do that.
Okay. So,
But I get what you're saying. Like, we shouldn't have did
here's
it.
the thing. So, it's not a question of is it that serious. It's theft.
Yeah.
Okay?
That's
It
understandable.
doesn't belong to you.
Yeah.
You can't take things that don't belong to you. Retail theft is still retail theft. It's not a question of, oh, it's just this, it's just that. That's not yours.
Yeah.
Right? It's not your right to take it. It's a crime. You can be taken to jail for that. Are you an adult? Are you 18? Okay, so you can go to county jail
Jail,
for
yeah.
Gorilla Glue. Like, is it really worth it?
Nah.
Right? You guys got to make smarter decisions. You see these cameras? These are like 4K, 8K, 12K, whatever they're up to now. They can literally track every single movement and zoom in onto your nose ring. Right? And that's what that guy does all day, every day. He tracks people that look suspicious, okay? And that's his job.
Yeah.
You know what I mean? So, officer is going to search all of you. Honesty goes a long way. When she searches you, is there going to be anything on your person that doesn't belong to you?
Oh wait. Yeah. Hold on. I still got Aquaphor in my purse.
You still got what?
Aquaphor in my purse.
What is that?
Oh, like the Vaseline.
It's like,
Vaseline.
but it's
Yeah.
Aquaphor.
You got
Oh
one
wait,
for your
no,
person?
I do have a shirt in my purse. That's it.
Yeah, I forgot. I ain't gonna
But
lie.
I just
forgot
that's
about
it, just a shirt.
Anything on your body that you didn't pay for?
No,
I
you can
didn't
take me
pay
after
for
that.
the shirt, yes.
Yeah, I think you can.
I'm gonna have you stand up. Turn away from me.
She got a Vaseline and one got a shirt.
She got Aquaphor, not Vaseline.
No,
Yeah,
she got
anything
Aquaphor.
on your body.
No, you can take it off.
You guys all got the pink hair.
God.
Yeah, dang.
The Fesby.
Girl.
They got the searchlight, got the
Yeah,
Fesby.
that'd be smart.
Only the wig.
Yeah.
He's just going to know who's
Your
got
brown.
Yeah,
Where's
I got
Howard?
two of them.
I got to pee so bad.
Not that one. Not that one. That's mine.
Oh, what do you mean? This is yours?
Oh no, that's the
that's
clothes.
the other-
Yeah, that's
yours
always
is
mine at
brand
home.
new. Yours is
Yeah,
at home.
mine
Yours is
at
at
home.
home. Wait, why am I getting charged if I didn't get nothing?
Alright.
Oh wait, what did we get into?
What do we have in here? A
Just
shirt?
the shirt. Just that one. And then the rest of the stuff is mine.
And then what?
The rest of the stuff is mine.
Contraband.
Excuse me, I had to go to the bathroom really bad.
This is you?
Yeah.
Excuse me.
Alright, stand by. I can take you in a minute. Okay, just give me a second. Place a shirt in her handbag. Yeah, this blue shirt, and that's her ID.
What is your phone number?
I don't have one.
You don't have a phone number? How old are you?
19.
This one has to use the restroom. I can take her if you want me to. Or
Is it that urgent?
Yeah, I gotta go really bad.
If you don't mind.
yeah, I don't mind. All right, you come with me.
Let me go with her.
Can you put my pants on, please? Like,
Hold them down.
yeah.
No, they're not in there.
What's the total?
He's getting it right now.
But you guys are going to prosecute total
Yeah.
25?
What that mean? Go to jail?
Go to jail.
That's what that mean? That's what they saying?
Hey, let me finish. Yeah. So if you guys haven't been charged with retail theft in the past and you have a address here in the county,
Yeah.
we're probably going to give you what's called a notice to appear. So you're going to have a court date.
Okay.
So chances are you're not going to jail, but
Thank
we still got to look into that.
Alright, that's fine.
How old are you?
18.
18?
$35.10.
35 and 10 cents.
Damn.
Dang.
Shit add up quick.
And your friend, the one that went to the bathroom, she's 18 or older?
She's 17.
Of course she is.
Do I have to sit in these cuffs, bro? It's so uncomfortable. Do I have to sit in the cuffs? It's so uncomfortable. Well, I'm not even a criminal. I'm not even a felon or nothing. They ain't gonna do nothing to y'all.
You committed a crime, so.
That's not a felony.
But it's a crime.
But
It's still criminal.
I get it, yeah.
The cuffs aren't made to be comfortable.
Now, I'll bring you back.
Just want to inform you. So you guys are under arrest, but like I said, you're most likely getting MTAs, which is ordered. Which means you're not going to county jail tonight unless we find reason to take you to county jail.
Oh, okay. So we're going in the car? No. They gonna let us go. Oh.
I'm going to try to call your mom, okay?
Wait, officer.
Yeah.
You gonna have to call her on my phone because she has the thing where random numbers can't call her. It's not gonna go through.
Hi, this is Officer Fender with the Boynton Beach Police Department. I want to let you know that your daughter has been placed under arrest for retail theft. She stole items that did not belong to her. With that being said, I need you to come to the Walmart so we can release her to you.
Are you married, single, divorced?
Single. I know I'm gonna change over this summer. I promise.
What color hair do you normally have?
It's like a black and brown, and it's red. Yeah.
So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take you out of cuffs. I'm gonna have you sign this. I'm gonna have to wait you outside. Okay, you can wait for them. Just wait outside.
Raise your right hand for me. State your name, date of birth. Everything you told me today is truth, whole truth, nothing but the truth.
Correct.
All right, thank you. So I'm gonna release you to your mom, okay?
First and last name, yes.
Free to go, all right?
Clear on where it's sitting in front of the house.
Probably.
The subject who never touched a single item may carry identical criminal liability to the ones who did. That is not a legal error. That is Florida law. 3 statutes determine every outcome in this case. Florida Statute 812.14, Florida Statute 812.15, Florida Statute 777.11. Understanding all 3 changes. How you read this arrest entirely. Florida Statute 812.14 defines theft as knowingly obtaining or using the property of another with intent to permanently deprive the rightful owner. When value falls below $100, this is petty theft 2nd degree, a misdemeanor carrying up to 60 days in county jail. Critical legal point. Under 812.14, the offense is complete at the moment of concealment inside the store. Exiting is not required. Passing the register without payment removes all doubt about intent, but it does not create the crime. The crime was already committed in the fitting room. Florida Statute 812.15 addresses retail theft as a distinct offense. Removing merchandise from its original packaging, discarding that packaging, and transferring unpaid items into a personal bag within the store satisfies every element of this statute independently of 812.14. Now, the harder legal question. One subject claims she personally never took a single item from any shelf. She only held the purse that received the stolen merchandise. Under Florida law, that argument is not a defense. It is a confession. Florida Statute 812.15 aiding or abetting states that knowingly assisting others in concealing or carrying away stolen merchandise from a retail establishment constitutes a standalone criminal offense. Providing the concealment vessel is sufficient for liability. Florida Statute 777.11 removes any remaining doubt. Any person who aids, abets, counsels, or otherwise procures the commission of a criminal offense is a principal in the 1st degree, subject to the same punishment as the direct perpetrator. The purse was the instrument of the crime. Holding it is not a defense. Under 777.11, it is the offense itself. Procedural issue. Miranda v. Arizona 1966 requires that, before custodial interrogation, officers must advise suspects of the right to remain silent, the right to counsel, and that any statement may be used against them in court. In this case, handcuffs were applied before the advisement was delivered. Statements made after physical restraint, but before formal Miranda advisement exist in a legally contested zone. Whether those statements are admissible depends on whether a court finds custodial interrogation had already begun. That is a suppression question. Subject challenged the recording made by a loss prevention employee, citing lack of consent. The First Amendment protects the right to record in any public access space without individual consent. The challenge had no legal basis. Lesson of record: a notice to appear is not a warning, not a dismissal, and not a second chance. It is a formal arrest, a permanent criminal filing, and a mandatory court date. Florida Statute 32255 also mandates driver license suspension upon conviction for theft. A consequence, these subjects were not advised of at the scene. At what exact moment does someone become criminally liable under Florida Statute 812.14? The moment they pick up the item, the moment they conceal it inside the store, or only when they walk past the final register without paying. The sequence changes everything about when law enforcement can legally intervene. And if the Miranda advisement was delivered after handcuffs were already on, under what specific circumstances can the defense move to suppress everything said in that window? What precedent controls? The statutes are clear. The application is not.